Welcome to this quick tutorial on renaming a spreadsheet in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing your files or just want a more descriptive name, renaming a spreadsheet is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, simply navigate to drive.google.com in your web browser. Once you're in your Drive, you'll see all your files and folders neatly arranged. Next, find the spreadsheet you want to rename. This could be any file that you've previously created or uploaded. Once you locate it, look for the three vertical dots next to the file name. This icon represents more options for that particular file. Now, click on those three dots. A menu will appear with several options related to your spreadsheet. Among these options, you will see Rename. Click on it to proceed. After clicking Rename, a text box will pop up, allowing you to change the current name of your spreadsheet. Simply delete the old name and type in your desired new name. Make sure it's something descriptive that reflects the content of the spreadsheet for easier identification later. Once you've entered the new name, click on Rename again to confirm your changes. This step is crucial, as it saves the new name and updates it in your Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your spreadsheet. You can now return to your Google Drive and see that the new name appears next to your file, making it easier for you and anyone else who might access it to understand its purpose at a glance. Remember, keeping your files organized with clear names can significantly enhance your productivity and make finding documents much simpler. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.